I'm your local cattle. What? Why you
You're Shrek.
Yellow, you're Peppa Pig.
You're Grinch. Fighting. Yeah,
You know
totally
what?
fighting.
You're the charger from next door. No! Stop sniffing my phone. No,
Why
I don't
not?
allow you to sniff my phone.
Why?
Because you smell like Grinch, and I don't want my phone to be snorted on.
And guess who you smell like?
I smell like a bee, because I hate bees.
My grandma.
You mean
Our
our
grandma.
grandma? You
How
stupid.
long is this video?
I don't know. Bye.